Yeah. That was good. Saturday morning, and we have a weather window for Longreef, so we're going to head out on the Yak and try and tick off a couple of goals. Will hopefully tick me off a new fish on the new setup, a fish on a homemade lure, a couple of vibes that I've made. I'd love to get something on that, and the Kingfish. So those are my kind of 3 goals for the day. Categorically useless at catching kingfish, so we'll see how we go. Grab the paddle because you're going to need it. The drive down in case you flip. No, I just fell over. So on the sounder we've got 77, which is a very wide beam, like 45 degrees. And then on the left hand side we have 200, which is a narrower beam, so it kind of gives you an idea of whether something is on the edge of the beam or well within the beam, so you can kind of gauge the size of the fish, because if it's on this but not on that, it could be a big fish that's just sitting off the edge. And then I have the map down the bottom, which I'm kind of primarily using to get to some spots that I've marked in the past. All those other guys have gone out off the reef, which is maybe the right thing to do, but I just don't like doing that. This is doing no fighting. It's not even doing the Sergeant Baker 3 pull. Oh, it's a big old Sergeant Baker. Well, that's good. That's good. We don't want to mess around with him. Oh, well, AliExpress Jig, you've been done. There's no hooks on you. I can't believe I didn't notice that. A couple of drops with no hooks. I felt like I got a few hits. First drop for the Saltiga. I have no idea what I'm doing. It is sinking very quickly, which is great. Can see that jig going down. That's a good fish. Maybe like a legendary size Bonito. Just trolling the metal. Oh, that sounds king-like. I can see something right down deep. Looks like a really nice Bonito. It's a really good one. Great, that's coming home for sashimi. I'm thinking 45-ish. Yeah, 47, that's sick. All right, well, we will dispatch him. They're keen. Can't believe they just followed that up. Might need to move it a bit faster. There we go. If this is a small one, it's going to find itself live bait. Well, so probably more slimies. Yeah, there we go. Like clockwork. Or is that a Bonito? No, it's a massive tailor. Big tailor. Oh, he got off. God damn it. Should have used the net. I checked on the live bait and it was not looking good, but with no better options, I just put it back down until... That's good, that's good, that's good. That drag is pretty tight as well. Oh my god. Busted. That absolutely buckled the rod. Sergeant. Hopefully we'll just unhook this guy with relative ease. Okay. That was good. Damn it, it's like while I'm doing that knot I found the best bit of bait all day. It's probably just another nice bonito. Yeah, it is. That's a good size. That slimy mackerel went down an absolute treat. So let's hope this guy does the same. We'll drop that down about 10 meters. Bonnie got smoked. That felt shark-like. What have we still got? We got just the sinker sharked. This looks alright. Quite a bit of bait just sitting here. Looks like they're sitting on the reef, which is positive. Come on, please be a live bait size fish. Oh, no way is this what I think it is. Oh my god, maybe it is. Oh my god. Just a rat, but better than nothing. Oh my god. Yes. Unhook him. Give him a measure. We'll give you a bit of a revive in the net as well. We're gonna go 56. Man, that's sick. Just soak it up. On the sound of that looked pretty interesting. It doesn't actually look like big solid yellow marks, and I think that's because they're moving around so quickly. So it just looks like a big blue mess under the yak. That's my first Longreef kingfish. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Okay, that's looking like the kingfish I saw before. Is it possible for that I just start slaying them like there's no tomorrow? Have we got it swimming towards us? Yep. It's not a king, no way. Not another. Jeez. Oh my god. Oh jeez. That's a better sort. Oh god. Oh come on, yes! While I like a rubber net normally, I just feel like that most of the silicone nets are just too small. You like when you have a fish in the net, they're not going to be in good condition once they get out. 55. Off he goes like a bullet. Better fish. This rod is awesome. So much power. Yes. What are we doing? Smaller. 54. That's number 3, that's unbelievable. Oh my god, that's mental how much bait there is. Apparently if you just take it easy they won't run too hard. Keep... No. Okay, well. That sounder is... Kingfish number 4. That doesn't happen too often. Yeah. I just wonder whether I should upsize the jig. Great. I actually don't know if it's possible to get bored of this. Okay, it's done nothing so far. Busted. No? Just drop the hook. That is okay. So the speed jigging seemed to get it going. It's a little bit too shallow for the vertical jig here, which is kind of disappointing. But oh! One more, and then we're going home. There we go, that's one. Is it? Yeah, it is. You want to go in this net. This is the smallest kingfish ever. Okay, we're going to give him a measure just because he's so small. Okay, come on, chill out. Personal worst, 43. How good is that? Yes. Very tidy this drag. It's given up. Man, this blank is just like, feels like a game playing with this. It's just so smooth compared with other drags. Surely 100 gram jig. This has got to be a better class of fish for sure. It is. It is better. Oh, unreal. What's that? That's number 6, and that's like catch a kingfish on this reel. We just wanted to get a fish. Not legal, but certainly better than the others we've been catching. I think he's the winner for the day. I reckon he's about 60. Yeah, 60. Basically 60. Awesome. What a catch. So that did kind of ring true. Upsize your jig, upsize your catch. Alright, that's a wrap. The day started off looking pretty grim, only managing to get a few Sergeant Baker. Got that Bonito, those 2 Bonito, which were brilliant. Then came down to the main part of Longreef, which I kind of avoid just because there's too many people here. well, there's a lot of people and I really don't know what I'm doing. And ended up getting on to a stack of kingfish. Hope you enjoyed the session as much as I did. I had a really good time, man. I've never caught so many kingfish in my life by myself. And it feels like a real achievement getting out on Longreef and doing it successfully and also doing it safely, so I get to go home. If you got any questions, pop them in the comments as well, or get me on Instagram. All right, anyway, best of luck with your future endeavors, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, pack down time. My net will fold up. Everything else will slide into various spots on the yak. I'll get rid of all of the reels, put the reels in the bag, tie the rods down up against the oar, or the, whatever it is, the paddle, and that should be plenty good. Well, much better than last time. Come on, mate. You are looking very alive.